Hello, the topic of this video is Customer Acquisition Cost, also known as CAC. CAC is the total marketing and sales cost of winning a customer to purchase a company's products or services. Examples of cost include ad spend, the creative production cost, salaries, and commissions. Here is how CAC is calculated. It's the total marketing and sales cost in a given period of time divided by the number of new customers acquired in the same time period. CAC is related to an important business measure known as unit economics, which indicates profitability on a unit basis. A widely used approach for understanding unit economics is to look at the LTV to CAC ratio. Investors in early-stage startup companies often use this ratio to assess the viability of the business model. Achieving an LTV to CAC ratio of greater than 1 is often considered a major milestone. CAC should not be confused with another metric called CPA. There is a misconception that CPA stands for cost per acquisition. In reality, the letter A stands for action. An action could be a website visit, an app download, or a purchase conversion. The CPA of a marketing campaign can be calculated as the campaign cost divided by the number of actions driven by the campaign. It's important to distinguish CPA from another metric called CPIA, where I stands for incremental. Consumers may be taking actions irrespective of the company's marketing efforts. So it's important to understand the incremental actions driven by a marketing campaign above and beyond what the consumers may be doing in the absence of the campaign. This is related to another metric called ROAS, return on ad spend, which can be calculated as the incremental sales driven by the campaign divided by the campaign cost. We will discuss further details about ROAS in other videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time.